In the uncertain world that we live in today, it is more important, imperative now than ever that you pursue financial freedom obsessively. Your time and mine is fleeting. It's not guaranteed. You do not have the luxury to sit around and wait for luck or something lucky to land in your lap. You need to put your head down and get to work. In 2018, I started my journey here on YouTube. During that time, I was working a six-figure job, a desk job that I absolutely hated. It was absolutely life-sucking. I came to a mental understanding that no matter how much money or what salary they were gonna give me, it was never going to be worth enough for my time. Tied to the 9-to-5 job, I wasn't calling the shots in my life. I wasn't managing my own life. I was simply just building someone else's dream at the expense of my own time. Always tied to their schedule, always tied to their demands. I had money, but I had no freedom. A sad way to exist. I left that job and I never looked back. I never once thought, oh, that salary that I left behind. Because now I'm my own boss. I make the decisions in my life. I control my time and how I manage it. But you have to put your head down and start building. If you're happy, in your job and you're successful and you're all that, then click away. This video is not for you, my guy. But if you're unfulfilled and you're unhappy and you're frustrated, listen, please listen. For most of us, financial freedom does not come overnight. It's a castle that we build brick by brick over a long period of time. And you know what? The castle never gets built if you don't start by building the bricks. You want financial freedom now? I'm sorry. It takes time. Time is not on your side, especially if you're already in a job that occupies most of your waking life. So how do we start? By admitting that we know nothing about this self-reliant journey, this adventure that we're about to go on. Be humble, be open to learning everything you possibly can. On your lunch break at work, when you go to the gym, pop in headphones, listen to an audiobook, try and start consuming content that's gonna teach you about financial freedom and how to attain it. We are so especially fortunate in today's day and age. We have the internet, which provides unlimited information and also unlimited access to money makers from all over the world. Essentially, you need to begin learning and you need to choose your path to financial freedom. This could be a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, dividend investing. Maybe it's starting your own agency for a service that you can put out to the world, to the market, a service that the market needs. You also need to understand that time is not money. Money is money, time is time. And you need to get that out of your head that in order to be successful, you need to exchange your time for money. Get it out of your head. Start creating a business, start laying those blocks, that foundation down. So that way you can make money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're starting your second business. For example, if I take 6 to 12 hours to make a YouTube video and I post it on YouTube, as long as that video is public on YouTube, it's gonna keep generating me income all the time, every minute, every second, every time someone clicks play. So after I've finished editing the video, I've posted it, I'm done. I can walk away from that and move on to the next one, rinse and repeat. Each video that I make is a continuous opportunity for me to earn money for a job that I did once. The reason I'm telling you all of this is I just turned 30. I started my leap of faith back in 2018 when I was about the age of 26. And it has taken me until now to really become not financially free, but to a point where I can replicate the income that I was getting from my full-time job. But I'm doing something that I enjoy. I am just now seeing the fruits of my labor. And so that's why I'm urging you to begin your journey as soon as you possibly can. Don't cheat yourself out of any more time. It's not on your side, it's not in your favor. So you got to start now. As I said, the internet provides endless opportunities for information and money makers. It's up to you to choose one, buckle down and become absolutely obsessed with learning it and making it the most efficient craft you possibly can and making it the most lucrative pipeline of income you possibly can. Obviously, my moneymaker of choice was starting a YouTube channel, but I wasn't monetized on my channel for the first year of making videos. I mean, I was doing videos for free essentially in the hopes that eventually it could pay off. But that's okay. Like I said, make the video once, earn money from it forever. So while I was doing the work initially for free, it was only a matter of time until YouTube monetized all my videos and my vast library of content was going to start producing me income. I put in the hard work and the effort for no money at all up front because I saw the potential it could give me down the line. And although I wasn't monetized off the rip, it didn't stop me from starting to monetize my content in a different way. While I was waiting for YouTube to monetize me, I was doing affiliate marketing. So if I was making a car video on a modification, I would basically create an affiliate link for that part, and I could start earning affiliate money while I'm waiting for the YouTube overlords to grant my channel access to being monetized by ad revenue. And real quick, if you're new, affiliate marketing is essentially pushing potential customers via a URL link that is custom to you. So you're pushing potential customers to a company or to a product, and if they buy that product, you get a portion of that sale because you were the one that generated that lead for that company. And to put it into very real terms, if you look at YouTubers, when they promote a product or something and they say link in the description, that is an affiliate link. If you click that link, they're gonna potentially earn money if you decide to buy that product or service. So now I've taken 6 to 12 hours to make this YouTube video. It's going to earn me revenue each time, every single time someone hits play. And on top of that, if I decide to include affiliate marketing in that video and the potential buyer decides to buy that product or service, then I am doubling my money on that video. So I've multiplied my earning potential by 2. These are the kinds of things that you need to be thinking about nonstop, literally obsessing over, staying awake at night, can't sleep because you are just so determined to figure out the best way to make the money the fastest and produce the best you possibly can. TikTok goes the clock, my friends, and as long as you are out there continuing to trade your time and hours for money, you're gonna be limited to what you can make in 24 hours. And honestly, most people only work 8 hours a day. 5 days a week. They're not even maximizing that full potential. Kings, you need to value your time more than anything else. It's really all that you can give, so give it wisely. Spend it building your empire, not someone else's. The journey to financial freedom starts small, but it also builds momentum. And when it starts building, you better be ready to buckle up and jump in for the ride because it's what you've worked so hard for. It's something you deserve and you need to make the most out of it and be ready for that opportunity when it presents itself. The next step for me is to continue to grow my videography. I want to start my own agency and basically hire my friends, hire a collective of creatives that I can have around me. It is so important to have a network of like-minded people that you're all working towards the same common goal. And trust me, you're gonna get there faster. You're gonna get there faster when you have multiple people, and you're gonna get there with less resistance. A lone wolf only has 2 eyes to see threats and opportunities. A pack of wolves has many, and they can alert their pack to threats and opportunities as they see them. And trust me, there's gonna be less resistance if you're all working towards that same common goal. Now go and find that skill and obsessively develop it into a moneymaker. Don't stop until you figure it out. Ask for help if you need it, but most importantly, you have to start right now. I love you all. Be safe, play smart, and keep elevating.